Hello, YouTubers. Me, Paris, and Zay. We're gonna have a burping contest. Actually, it does. Thank you. Well, we'll have a burping contest, and he's gonna go first.
That will be true, I'm gonna slap you.
Oh, look.
No, Louis.
Okay, go on.
You take it to work.
Okay, go on.
You need to get back on that. 7 o'clock, that's ready to go.
Good work.
Church?
There it is right there.
And don't get this, call yourself.
Okay. Well, what we want you to do is send comments. Daddy!
Don't take this on there. Him letting that out. Break my attention, I hit you because of me. You couldn't wait to come in and do it.
Okay, alright. So, to determine the winner, we want you guys to leave a comment, which we already know that I'm going to win. He's going to lose.
That is rude.
Well, anyways, so, that's how we're going to do that.
Pick me because I'm cute.
No. Anyways, rate this video, subscribe, and stop messing with my hair. Okay, bye. Pick me. Okay, go on. Okay, go on. What we want you to do is send comments and say. We're gonna have a burping contest. Actually, it does. Thank you.
Him letting that out. Very hard to say that I need to